Excellent! Draw the owl's big eyes so she can see everything. That's it! Add a little diamond for the beak. Give the ears some cute, fluffy feathers. Orange. Brown. Good job! Now draw a circle for the owl's body. Good! Draw a belly in the shape of a heart. Make the owl's wings so she can fly. Beautiful! Your owl is almost ready. Now draw the legs. First, one leg. And now the other. Whoa! You've drawn a charming owl. Look at your happy owl play with the mouse.